Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with clean, detangled hair and slightly damp strands for control. This gives traction and reduces flyaways. Use clips to separate the area you'll braid first, and choose your braid type, three-strand for speed, Dutch for raised look. Once done, make sure partings are neat because even small slippage makes a messy braid. Comb a straight line, clip the rest away, and pick up 3 equal subsections. Begin the first crossover slowly to set tension and rhythm. You now move into the core technique. Keep consistent tension so the braid sits even and lasts longer. For a Dutch braid, cross strands under to create a raised braid. For a French braid, add hair from each side before crossing. Make each pass deliberate. Pick up small increments and tighten gradually because sudden tugs cause bumps. Once you reach the nape or desired length, switch to standard 3-strand weaving to finish the tail, and make sure to smooth stray hairs with your palm. You finish by securing the end with a snug elastic and tidying the tail, wrap it under or tuck it for a polished look. Once done, address flyaways with a little wax stick or light hairspray, and pin any sections that refuse to sit flat. If a bump appears, don't panic. Loosen the braid a few stitches above the issue, realign the strands, and retighten evenly to smooth it out. Make sure to check symmetry in a mirror and adjust tension for comfort.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.